We all know that the earth is going to go through tremendous amount of climatic change in the coming years. So what do I as an aspiring designer do or create a material that enables the humankind to survive this dying planet? What changes do I bring about in the system of production of garments or the production of yarn, and to make a more holistic and a closed loop system? My name is Vishwa Patel. I'm an aspiring fashion design student from ISDI Mumbai, and currently I'm working on a thesis project which aims at creating different kind of fiber blends with algae, using algae as the main fiber. So while I was researching, after my fiber was ready, I was looking at different spinning mills to turn the fiber into the yarn. But I soon realized that this is the path that every other mass manufacturing fashion unit takes. So how do I as a designer change this system and change this cycle of production of directly using machines and not humans? What came up to my mind at the first go was spinning that used to hand spinning with charkha that became very famous after the independence movement, during the independence movement, with Ahmedabad at its center. So I googled hand spinners in Ahmedabad, and I couldn't really get any direct contacts to any spinners available or continuing this tradition. So but I did get a poster about a workshop that was happening, that was dated back to 2017, and I called up the organizer, and to my surprise it was still going on, and I visited the place after a few days. So the name of the organization is Aadhar, and they work towards reviving hand spinning in Gujarat and all over India. So I went in with an aim of getting my fiber spun into a yarn and placing an order simply. But on talking to Miss Afni, I did realize that this is a tradition that we have let die as Indians, and it's something available to us because it's a part of our culture, a part of our tradition. So moving back to this cycle would definitely make a lot of changes in a system and the whole cycle of production as well, and also revive the communities, the handloom communities of India. And instead of purchasing the finished products from all over the world, we could actually start manufacturing our own hand spun yarn and our own garments like khadi. I took the workshop about learning hand spinning with takli and with box charkha both. The entire process was so therapeutic and calming. I wouldn't know where my hours are passing by, and maybe the first time I was involved in an activity after a long time where I didn't use a screen or I wasn't engaged in anything digital, but rather completely concentrated my energies while using my hands and making the yarn. Very different experience and completely unique at that. Also the process of twisting your own yarn, like having a touch with every fiber you spin, added an emotional attachment to the kind of yarn that I made, and also got me personally emotionally attached to the fabric that I later weave from it because of the labor, the physical labor that I've put in it while making it. And yeah, so I feel that this is the kind of learning that every school should have, or even every design institution should have in their foundation years, as a core element to at least teach and preach about the making of the fiber, the making of the yarn from fiber, and make students aware about the process of this and how it could be different than what they have been used to, like going to a mall and purchasing a t-shirt or a kurta or anything like that. So instead of that, they could at least know that there is an option available, and if they want to, they could take this route as well, which is much more sustainable in terms of also providing livelihood to the communities of India, the local communities of India, and which are dying and actually looking for work, and it would revive this whole tradition of hand spinning of yarn and making the garments your own. Thank you.